What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making some shawarma with chicken breast, and it's gonna be like some little spicy and stuff. I just like it with chicken because I don't like it with lettuce or onions, So yeah, I will get to the part where we're cooking the chicken. All right, first part done. Okay, guys, so we are cooking the chicken now. Here it is. You see the like orange and red stuff, guys. That's like the spices to make it spicy because I like my shawarma very spicy. Okay, guys, my mom is helping me right now. Guys, we just have to wait. Yeah. Okay, while I'm cooking the chicken breast, guys, my mom is going to make the bread, the bread. So guys, this is what it will be looking like for the to start. Like it's like gonna be like cooked a little bit, but not like that cooked to like eat it. We want it to be like good to eat. Here, you see? It's pretty good right now. Okay, now we're adding black pepper to the chicken breast. So then it's like more spicy. Because I like my shawarma very spicy. Because the more it's spicy, the more it's flavorful. Here it is, guys. This is what it will look like with the black pepper when you mix it up and like cook it a little bit. Make sure you guys like flip the chicken at least a little bit. Like how my mom did. You see? I'm cooking it right now because I know actually how to cook it. So after a little bit, guys, so we will cut to the part where we are finished the chicken. We might go to the bread. So yeah, second cook is me. Guys, so my mom is making the bread now. Well, you guys can't see me, but I'm right now making the chicken. So my mom will show you how to make the bread. Chicken is looking good, guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna cut this clip on the red part. So yep, third clip is done, guys. Okay guys, so now the chicken is ready and this is what it will look like. For you guys, it looks yellow from the camera because like the camera you can't see the color, but it's actually orange. Yeah, so right now it looks like yellow, but it's actually orange, guys. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go to the bread cooking. Fourth clip done. Alright guys, so now we are cooking the bread. Alright, here is the bread. It's gonna be like very big. And actually, it might be hard to flip. But it's right. So I'm gonna show you guys because I'm actually a pro at cooking bread. Here it is, guys. So this is what it will look like. And guys, so it'll just like be like this. It'll be like super fat. It'll like look fat. Like this. Looks like there's air in it. Alright guys, so now the bread is done. I'm gonna eat two, by the way. Alright guys, so that'll be the first part, which is cooking the bread. Okay guys, so now we're putting like all the ingredients on the bread. So first we're gonna put some mayonnaise. First we're gonna put some mayonnaise. We're just gonna smudge it all over. Now we're gonna add some ketchup right here, so it's more yummy. Okay. Yep, here it is. Okay guys, so now the best part, we're gonna add the chicken. So put it in like the middle because that's where you get the most chicken. And it'll be yummy. Here's the chicken. Now we will put some ranch. We'll put some ranch on there. And then we'll put some extra mayonnaise. just for the chicken. Yeah, then it's more like tasty. Because this is how I eat it every day. Like when I eat the shawarma. Then you're gonna do that, and then you just want to roll it very good. Make sure it's good, and like you don't want to do this very slowly because then the bread will actually get hard and it will be like very hard to like bite into and just eat it. So now obviously we're gonna get the paper towel. We're gonna get the paper towel. We roll it with the paper towel. And then voila. Here is our shawarma. So we put in ranch, we put in mayonnaise, we put in ketchup, and the bread, and then we put chicken breast. So this is the shawarma, guys. I'll cut to the part where I eat it. Okay guys, so now we are going to eat the shawarma, and let's try it. Very good. Here's the inside right here. That's like the mayonnaise, the ketchup, everything. The chicken is like so good because like the best part is the chicken. Yeah, and the bread is very crispy, soft, because that's how I like it. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so that'll be it for the video for the shawarma. And I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.